Hola chicos y chicas, bienvenidos a la clase de español. Hello guys, welcome to Spanish class. I have created this instructional video to help you navigate the Google Classroom for your Spanish class. Google Classroom is the platform we will be using for our hybrid and remote Spanish class. Our class will be 100% digital. Therefore, everything that you need to submit will be submitted through Google Classroom. Here's an example of what your class will look like. Right now we are located in the Stream page of your classroom. Stream is where you will find important information and announcements. I would suggest that you check your Stream daily prior to the beginning of class, especially on those fully remote days. My tab bar for my different tabs is located on the top of my page because I am working on a laptop. But on your iPads, the tab bar will be located at the bottom of the page. So on the tab bar, along with Stream, you will find Classwork, People, and Grades. One thing I want to note about grades is that most of the assignments will show ungraded in Google Classroom. Just because they show ungraded, it does not necessarily mean they are not. For your most up-to-date grades, please look into your PowerSchool. That is where I will post all your upgraded information as far as grades is concerned. Now let's take a look at Classwork, which is your most important tab. Any classwork, agenda, objectives, and schedule will be uploaded into this section. In your Classwork tab, you will find the agenda, the virtual meeting link, your assignment Dropbox for quarter 2, your project Dropbox for quarter 2, your assignment Dropbox for quarter 4, your project Dropbox for quarter 4, and syllabus and important information. Most of these tabs or topics you will not see because I have not uploaded anything under that topic. Topics are only visible to you once I have assigned something to you under that topic. So therefore, right now you would only see the agenda, the virtual meeting link, and the syllabus and important information. Your project and assignment Dropbox, you will probably see once I assign something to you. Other than that, you will not see the rest of the tabs. Your agenda and calendar tab will show you an overview of what you will be doing during the week and an overview of what you'll be working on during the month. And also, it would show you upcoming test dates. My advice is that you check your schedule daily so that you know what your expectations and objectives are for the day. Under the agenda and calendar, you would only see one tab or one assignment or material assigned because I will be updating the slides itself and not the tab. So you need to go into the slides to check for the up-to-date information, and we will talk more about this in class. Next is your virtual link. I did not post a link here because this is the practice Google Classroom. And also this is going up on YouTube and I did not want to have a link visible there, but your class will have a link under the virtual link tab. Following that, you will see the Dropbox for assignments for quarter 3. Again, I do not have anything assigned here because this is a practice Google Classroom. Once your class has started, you will see the assignments posted there. Most assignments are by date. I will have the date on each assignment, which is the date that it is due. Next, we have the project Dropbox. This is where I will post any projects that we will work on during the semester. Right, so the assignments will be for daily assignments and the projects will be for projects that we'll be working on. Okay, the same will be for assignments for quarter 4 and projects for quarter 4. Next, you have the syllabus and information tab. Here you will find your digital syllabus. It is already posted there for you. Teacher information about me, my email address, and my remind app information will be found in this section. Okay, also you will have student iPad reminders and login information. This is going to stay posted here for the entire semester for you to have as information. And your bell schedule. The bell schedule will be your regular bell schedule and your early dismissal schedule. Again, I would keep this posted here for the entire semester so that you can reference back to. Okay, so this is your Google Classroom. If you have any questions or concerns, then you can always ask me in class. All right, guys, I'll see you and looking forward to working with you all. Have a nice day.